Hello everyone! Let's make these no-glue daisies. Super easy and pretty. Let's get started. Take 2 pipe cleaners. Hook the ends together to extend the length into one long piece. Place it on the cylinder mold, leaving 3 centimeters at the top. Wrap it around tightly 9 times. Push the coils together and twist the ends once to secure. Take the long end and thread it through the center of the coils. Pull tight and trace the ends together. Hold the ring and gently open each loop into a petal. Pinch the base of each petal, not the tip. Shape all 9 petals. They should be even. Fold the center stem down at a 90-degree angle. Distribute the petals evenly, then flip them over so the front faces up. Adjust any petals that are too long by twisting them tighter. Make sure all petals are roughly the same size. Cut 1 pipe cleaner in half. Pinch 3 centimeters down. Press it down. And wrap it around your fingernail to form the flower center. Tuck the end inside. Push the center up through the flower. Gently cup the flower upward with your hand. Then fold the petals backward. Fluff the center to make it pop. Stretch your floral tape to activate the stickiness. Wrap horizontally 2 to 3 times at the top to secure. Then spiral down the stem. Wrap extra tape at the end and rub it to seal. Make 3 flowers in different colors. Cut pipe cleaners in half for leaves. Fold a half piece in half and push your thumb up to shape a leaf. Make young leaves. Time to assemble. Start wrapping the stem 2 centimeters from the bottom. When you reach the top, add the first flower and wrap to secure. Continue wrapping down about 4 centimeters. Add a leaf and wrap to secure. Add the second flower, then the second leaf, then the third flower. Wrap all the way to the bottom of the stem. Adjust the flowers by bending the stems slightly. Your daisy bouquet is complete. So simple, give it a try.